What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with another build overview. Now if you have a GMC 2500 that you're ready to have a nice stance to, this is the perfect build for you. Krietz Customs just got finished building this 2020 GMC 2500 Denali, and we're going to take a look at what we added. So starting off with that leveling kit, we did put the 2-inch Cognito Stage 2 leveling kit on this truck. This is going to replace your upper control arms, it does replace the torsion bar keys, and it does add Fox shocks all the way around on the vehicle for a nice smooth ride. With your wheel and tire package, we did add the Hostile forged line on this GMC. This one is a 24x14 Hostile Atomic, and this one is going to be that polished finish. Now some other sizes this wheel comes in are a 20x12, 22x12, as well as a 24x14 on this vehicle. Now this one does feature a straight spoke design. It's super clean and it does have about a 6.5-inch lip on this wheel. Your tire is going to be a 33 1450 24 Fury Country Hunter MT. Now this one is going to have that off-road appearance to it. This is going to have an aggressive look and perfect for this vehicle. Now what Krietz Customs also did is we also painted to match some of the trim features on this vehicle. We did paint to match the top trim piece of the grille. We also painted to match the fender flares, and we also paint matched the pocket steps, as you can see on the back part of the tailgate underneath of the step. Now if you guys have a GMC 2500 and you're ready to get yours built just like this one, click the link in the descriptions for more details.